So it's November, and we're going to fly over land in Helena, West Helena, and then we're going to get back up in the air and go cruise down the Mississippi River. The river is supposed to be at historic low levels, so we're going to see what that's all about. But until now, we're going to fly over across the Delta and land in West Helena.
Helena traffic, Cherokee 7466 Whiskey, turning downwind, runway 36, Helena traffic. Helena traffic, Cherokee 7466 Whiskey, turning final, runway 36, Helena traffic.
So we're here in West Helena, and we're gonna put the booty cam, the booty cam on the back of the plane, and we're gonna fly over the Mississippi River and check out this historic low water level. First, the booty cam. Booty cam.
West Helena traffic, Cherokee 66 Whiskey is taking off runway 36, exiting to the north. West Helena traffic. Okay, Mississippi River. And look at that big long sandbar right there.
Technicals inside, hold on.
Cherokee 7466 Whiskey has the field in sight.
November 66 Whiskey, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawking VFR, frequency change approved. Thanks for your help. 66 Whiskey.
November 66 Whiskey, traffic 12 to 1 o'clock and 4 miles east-northeastbound, type and altitude unknown.
We'll keep an eye on traffic. Thanks. 66 Whiskey.
North of the Rock, Chopper 31269er is turning right downwind for 17 North of the Rock.
Maybe you should go 17. North of the Rock traffic, this is 66 Whiskey. We're going to change our planes. We're going to divert over to runway 17. We've got traffic in sight. North of the Rock traffic. North of the Rock traffic, Cherokee 66 Whiskey is turning final for 17 North of the Rock.
successful mission.
Yeah, that was fun.